Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily file exempt on a W-4 form. So first is of course fill in your name, address, social security number, and filing status at the top. Next is if you're claiming exempt, you don't need to fill out steps 2 through 4. In the space under step 4C, clearly write exempt. This tells your employer not to withhold federal income tax. Your signature certifies that you meet the IRS conditions to file exempt. Also, just a reminder that you can only claim exempt if you had no tax liability last year and expect none this year. Filing exempt when you're not eligible can lead to IRS penalties. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye.